Now let us go for the second question in the first lesson. Second type of question. Write a different type of chemical equations with examples. So here there are four types of chemical equations are there. Chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement and chemical double displacement. So first of all we will take chemical combination. So combine means together. If two or more chemical reactants to form a single product, that is example, carbon plus oxygen combines together carbon dioxide. So don't go for very high type of examples. Simple examples you can give. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. The second one is chemical decomposition. If a chemical reactant decomposes into two or more products, then we can call it as a chemical decomposition. Example, same, the above equation you can make it in a reverse manner. Carbon dioxide gives rise to carbon plus oxygen. Now, the third one is chemical displacement. In a chemical reactants, highly reactive element displaces low reactive element and occupies its place, then it is called a chemical displacement. You can see the example here. Iron plus copper sulfate gives rise to iron sulfate plus copper. Here, iron is more reactive than the copper, hence the copper was displaced by the iron, and the iron will occupy the copper place and copper will be go out. This is called chemical displacement. And chemical double displacement. In chemical reactants, if two reactants change their ions mutually and form a new combination. Let us see that. Sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. Here, sodium sulfate, sodium and sulfate 2 and barium chloride are the ions. Here, sodium will exchange the sulfate to the barium and take the chlorine. It means that the chlorine will come to the sodium side and sulfate will go to the barium side. So, barium sulfate, and this is a precipitation, that is the reason you have to give the symbol like this, and 2 sodium chloride. This will be the form of the double decomposition reaction. So these are the four types of chemical reactions. You have to mention it and write the different type of chemical equations.